If you own an essential phone, we've got great news. Starting today, March 13th, Essential is officially rolling out an Android 8.1 Oreo update to the handset. This is a full release, not a beta, and is available to all users. If you haven't received an update notification yet, go to your Essential phone settings menu and manually check to see if you can download Oreo right away. Most, if now all, users should be able to install the new version of the OS today. While Essential doesn't specify this, we're pretty sure that the Android 8.1 Oreo update is available to all editions of the smartphone, including the recently released Ocean Depths, Stellar Gray, Copper Black, and Halo Gray models. The public Android 8.1 Oreo update for the Essential phone arrives later than expected. At the end of January, Essential said that it would launch it in a couple of weeks, but it's been 6 weeks since then. Anyway, it's nice to see that the Essential phone is finally getting rid of Android 7 Nougat, 7 months after the device hit the market. Source: Essential, Twitter.